Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of a PowerPoint for one of my nursing courses. This one is related to the conditions affecting the gastrointestinal system and the pharmacotherapy which is used to treat it. So just a few highlights are the upper gastrointestinal anatomy and physiology, which we just really go through what everything does in the body. The second highlight is vomiting, and what different types of vomit mean, and what to look out for. The next highlight is the pharmacology of antiemetics, which are anti-nausea and vomiting drugs, and how exactly they work in the brain and in our body to stop that feeling of nausea. A few key nursing responsibilities that you always have to keep in mind. Practice questions to test your understanding. And then you move on to gastritis and peptic ulcer disease. Just goes through some of the organisms that can cause an upset stomach leading to ulcers and the type of ulcers that are included. You see some common foods and activities that can cause the ulcers, such as smoking, acidic foods, certain vitamins, stress, and just lifestyle choices. And then to finish it up, we talk about GERD, which is gastroesophageal reflux disease, and it just explains what exactly it is, the pathophysiology of it, clinical manifestations, and then how you can treat it.